Effective road maintenance regimes depend on reliable and up-to-date information on road condition. This information is used to decide which part of the network requires maintenance and hence assists engineers in providing robust roads with high levels of safety and ride quality. The data is usually obtained by undertaking regular inspections that check both the integrity of the road's structure and the condition of the surface. Often, defects in road's structure will not be visible on the surface. Techniques to determine integrity of structure are usually invasive. Intro has investigated the use of current and new sensors to assess the structural condition of roads. These sensors, which are embedded in the road, can give a continuous record of road strength or instantaneous measurements of vehicle weight that assess in the prevention of overloading. Sensors can also be used to identify and report on abnormalities in the behavior of bridge decks or supports. They can also be used in locations that are prone to damage due to trafficking during the spring-thaw cycle. Intro has shown that these moisture and temperature sensors can be used to predict the load-bearing capabilities of the road in winter conditions, thus enabling automatic settings of load restrictions on these roads. Around 20 years ago, information on surface condition of roads was primarily collected manually by inspectors walking the network and recording the visual condition. With increased levels of traffic, these inspections became hazardous for the inspectors and were too infrequent to match the rate of deterioration on the roads. Many EU countries now employ sophisticated survey vehicles incorporating new technologies that can carry out inspections at traffic speed. These vehicles can measure road shape, record images for the measurement of visual condition, and some measure skid resistance. Due to the high cost of manufacturing and operating these vehicles, these highly accurate surveys are performed at most twice a year. The Intro project has researched the potential for using standard passenger cars or probe vehicles to measure surface conditions. The project has exploited sensors used as standard within these cars as part of systems such as ABS and traction control to show it is possible to automatically pinpoint locations on the network where the ride quality is poor without making modifications to the vehicle. By combining the information provided by many probe vehicles, it should be possible to provide extensive and up-to-date information to the road owner on road surface conditions to help with the rapid identification and maintenance of road surface defects. In an extension to the probe vehicle approach, Intro has also undertaken work to demonstrate how data from standard lorries could be used to improve the measurements of structural condition provided by sensors embedded in the road.